Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools. A small flat pry tool, cotton swab, rubbing alcohol, replacement gibbets, or clear epoxy. Use a towel to protect the croc and work on a stable surface. Gently pry the sticker or worn gibbets out while you watch the plastic back. This reveals the insertion post. Once done, clean around the hole with alcohol so adhesive bonds. Make sure to remove dirt and loose fragments because a clean surface prevents future loosening. Now you either replace the gibbets post or reinforce the existing hole. If the plastic peg is damaged, slot a replacement post or a thin plastic washer inside. This spreads load and prevents pull-through. Apply a small bead of flexible epoxy around the base. Don't flood the insertion bore because excess glue can block the peg. Press the decorative piece into place, keeping alignment true. Hold steady for the adhesive's full cure time. Otherwise, the repair will fail. Finish by trimming any cured adhesive that protrudes. Use a hobby knife and sandpaper to keep the profile low. Once the glue has fully set, press the gibbets firmly and test by flexing the croc and walking short distances to verify hold. If things look good, you're done. Keep an eye on the first day of wear and retighten if needed. If the piece loosens later, try adding a thin nylon washer or swapping in a replacement gibbets post. That usually stops repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.